Uh-oh, you could really use some chairs around here. Pinky, get him out of this crazy thing! Orin simply wasn't meant to be a turtle. Besides, I think we can put this box to better use. Just fill it up with some crumpled up newspaper. Once it's full, repeat with a few more boxes. Soon enough, a couch will pretty much build itself. It could use a cover. A blanket will suffice. And you can't forget some fuzzy pillows. Now you can sit back, relax, and watch TV. Of course, it would help if you had a TV. Though, personally, I prefer online videos. But to each their own. Ooh, antennae! Orin really puts himself in his work. But Pinky wants to know if it gets streaming. After all, she needs to catch up on her stories. Ooh, I've seen this. It's a really good part. This scene is a really romantic one. Aw, isn't it great when art imitates life? Okay, you built a TV, the important part. But you'll want something to eat to watch TV to. I guess we should start with the table. Now let's make a pizza. Pick your favorite toppings.
Ouch!
Of course, you're gonna want some cheese. No offense to any tomato pie fans out there.
Okay.
Some people also like cold pizza, but not like this, so let's heat them up. Silly Orin, that's not what you use to cook a pizza. Pinky's always had her heart set on a brick oven. But for the time being, a microwave will suffice. You just can't beat the convenience. Okay, we're getting hungry. Plop it in there. Not even 2 minutes, but it's still too much. Give it time to cool. That's enough. Let's dig in. Ah, a good cheese pull is really a work of art. Literally in this case. Save me a slice. Well, let's give Mama Pinky some time to bond with her new family. These guys could use a nap. You could use a crib and, furniture. Newspaper will have to do. And they say print is dead.
Uh-oh. Cool.
Still, let's make something for those rockabye babies. Add some color. Baby blue? Makes sense. I think I spoke too soon. That's not baby blue, it's sky blue. And this sky's got its own stars, including these 3. Aw, nighty-night. What was that? Guess you're not sleeping tonight. Maybe you just need something to settle you. Fresh milk! You can practically taste the cow. Of course, this bottle could use some volume. But I think we're forgetting something. Oh yeah, the milk! Don't worry, your dairy godmother is here. Uh-oh, she needs an udder.
Wow.
Well, we can always make one. Much better. Now give it a good squeeze. And look, There's plenty of bottles to go around. You think that calmed their tummies? Well, better out than in, I always say. Still, I think someone needs changing. Yeah, I wouldn't hold on to that. Of course, these aren't the disposable kind. So we're gonna need a little washing machine. And this one comes with all the special features. Looking good. Now stick those dirty diapers inside. We're gonna need some extra stain remover. Ooh, it's even got the setting we need. Wow, I guess it washes and dries too. Don't worry, I'm sure we can stretch it out. You know, it's such a nice day outside. Why don't we take the babies out for a stroll? They're gonna need a baby carriage. We're fresh out of pumpkins, so cardboard will do. Either way, it's gonna need some wheels. We're gonna whip up a 4-wheel drive. Add blankets and pillows for maximum comfort. But we want to really pamper these babies in the woods. So we're gonna whip you up some pacifiers. Besides, this should ensure a nice, quiet trip. Carve it out. Cut off the excess clay. We can save it for later. Peel off the paper and make sure everything's lined up. Now pick it up and roll it into shape. Let's introduce you to your better half. Why don't we add a nice splash of color? Some pink and purple will make a nice match.
Cool.
Let's add a blanket and some pillows. Now Ratty can start counting some sheep. You know, every party needs a furry friend. A little something for the introverts. Of course, there are some drawbacks. Sure you don't want to wear some gloves?
Yuck.
Well, at least it's a cute little ball now. Or are you making donuts? Or are you making our sprunky friends? Wait a minute, they're both! They're sprunky donuts! Why don't we order a baker's dozen? After all, I think we're gonna need more. Okay, did everybody get to try one? Uh-oh, guess it was first come, first serve. Oh, don't cry. We'll whip up something special next. And by whip, you know I mean cream. A delicious cream cake and a few other treats. Ooh, but you'll need something to wash it down with. And you can't exactly drink pool water. So why don't we start a stand? A juice stand, that is. Now we're gonna need some drinks. Let's start by making a juice dispenser. Blueberry. But a juice stand needs more than one flavor. Plus a few sodas on the side. We're open for business. Come on, everyone. Ratty's ready to take your order. Okay, calm down. Single file. Make a line. Let's help them out. How about some free samples? Everyone's got a drink? Good. You know, tips are appreciated. Uh-oh, I think Purple Durples had too much punch. Get in line for the biggest spot here, the water closet. Oh no! And cardboard is a crafter's best friend. Hey, it's a Jack-in-the-Box, and it looks like Simon. I'd say Simon in the box, but Simon is the box. And he'll hold all of your trash for you. Ooh, it's hot. You know, a little AC would be appreciated. Careful, you need that paper for our next craft. Pinky sure has a face for merchandise. But she'll always be her own biggest fan. Pinky can be a little shy at times. But she still knows when to open up. It's time to get gone with the wind. Now it's your turn, Blue. Any ideas? Once again, it's cardboard to the rescue. But I wonder what you're making. Whatever it is, it involves a bottle. Oh, I see. It's your very own water cooler. I mean, you could just drink from the bottle. But where would the fun in that be?
Woo!
Besides, Aqua always wanted to be a mascot. Twist the cap and enjoy some blue juice. Refreshing. You can tell it's cold because it's blue. Let's take pictures. We need a camera. Sure, we don't have one, but I'm sure we can whip one up. We're gonna need a strong lens. Think of it as a big mechanical eye. Don't forget to fix up the shutter. Plus a few buttons. Gotta have buttons. Why don't we test it out first? Cheese!
Oops.
Okay, big smiles, everyone. Hey, you close your eyes. Aw, this one's going right in our scrapbook. Yeah, you should keep that selfie. Wow, who needs a hole punch when she's around? She's a whiz with a paintbrush, too. Ooh, so what do you think she's making?
Phew. Cool.
Well, you can't go wrong with fairy lights.
Hey, no.
All your truck needs now is a mascot. Look at that. It's an ice cream truck. Who's in the mood for some sprunky spumoni? Come on down. We've got a bunch of flavors. Plus, we're always packed with toppings. Cup or cone? Why not choose both?
Hey.
Place your order. Would you like a sample? Let's start with a scoop of cotton candy. And our pistachio just can't be beat. How about a nice juicy strawberry?
Wow.
Here, have a bite. And we've got cones to spare, too. Silly Alexis. Now where's he off to now? Big wheel keeps on turning. Hey, what's that smell? What pretty flowers. They make great paint, too. Why, there's enough for two. But what's she making? Want to make a trade? She needs a straw. That cup should come in handy too. It's a new Ferris wheel. And look, Mr. Sun is the star of the show. Come on, guys, who wants to go for a ride? Okay, everyone, line up. One sprunky for each seat. Soon you'll feel like you're on top of the world. But that's not the only wheel at the fair. Hey now, a wheel of fortune isn't cheap. Don't worry, we'll make you a place for all your coins. Why do I have the sudden urge to go to an arcade? It's a game of chance. Spin and see where it lands. A Labubu! And look, it's just your size, too. Who wants to go next? Okay, Ratty, it's your turn. You got a rock! The Charlie Brown special. Oh, good grief. Wow, have you ever seen a Waxus so excited before? Ooh, looks like you got the mystery box. Just what we always wanted. A button. Hey, who turned off the lights around here? Careful, things get spooky around here at night.
Okay.
Oh, calm down. It comes with an off switch. Aw, they're sorry they scared you. You can look now.
Wow.
And why wouldn't you? Everyone's having so much fun. Yeah, nothing beats a night at the amusement park. Still, we mustn't spend too long at the fair. Besides, let's get out of here before they hire some clowns.